Powerful sound. 50 watts RMS, 120 watts peak power count on Excelon Sound and build quality. This is a great upgrade. Design. Acrylic Carbon Hybrid Cone reproduces natural sounds, ensuring accurate and smooth high-frequency response in any vehicle. Upgrade. Introducing the industry's best solution for a vehicle-specific sized dash speaker replacement. Enabling easy OEM replacement in many Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Toyota, Jeep, Ford vehicles and more. Sound. Stock factory car speakers do not compare. The KFC-X2C will deliver crisp and clean sound, great fit. Excellent value. Specifications. Mounting depth. 1 to 5/16 of an inch. Impedance. 4 ohms frequency response. 800 to 20,000 Hz. Sensitivity. 85 decibels. Grills included. Yes. Manufacturer warranty. 2 years. What's in the box? 2 speakers. 2 12 lengths of speaker wire with inline crossovers attached. Adhesive-backed foam gaskets. Installation instructions, English, French, Spanish. Specifications printed on box. Top reviews from the United States. Night and day difference. These are a night and day difference over the stock Subaru dash speakers. After you have removed one of the stock ones, and comparatively weigh one of these versus, in the other hand, an OEM one, the weight and size of magnet are noticeable. When you see how bad the stock paper cones look, it's no wonder they sound like poop. These scream, and they are only being powered off of the Pioneer replacement deck. My wife complained about one of the door speakers in her Forester, and since I knew I was going to be giving up a portion of my day, I turned into Captain Overkill, and replaced all of the speakers with 6.754 ways, these in the corner dash and a Pioneer deck. There's also soon to be a hidden spare tire sub in there, that she'll never know about, but honestly, having a Denali with a full OEM Pioneer system, I am now jealous of the sound. It is way better than it was, and these are the highlight.